What's up, guys? My name's Annika Osterland, and I have chronic depression. I've been feeling a little bit better these past few days. Since I have been feeling pretty good, I decided to take this opportunity to clean my motherfucking room because it gets really bad. Before we get started, I would just like to say I'm comfortable living in a pigsty. My mom does not make me clean my room because it is my room. She does not have to come in if she doesn't want to. Anyway, I'm cleaning my room today. That's where I was going with this. I don't know why it took me so long to say that. I'm cleaning my room today. I thought like this would be pretty relatable. Maybe it would give you inspiration to clean your room because I definitely feel a lot better. I'm gonna go cleanse the energy after this video with some crystals and incense and stuff like that. I'm a quirky teen girl. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. I can't believe I've been talking for 3 minutes, and for what? What did I gain from this? Alright, enjoy. So my room isn't that messy, like it's definitely been worse. There's a severe lack of dishes and like cups going on in here right now. It's very out of character for me. But then you have moments like this where it's like I don't know what happened there. Like I walked in my room after going to my boyfriend's house and this was on the floor, so I don't think I did that, but I guess I have to clean it up. I don't like cleaning my room. It takes a lot of my energy, and I'm really tired. And I just kind of want to sleep. I'm gonna do it because I kind of have this adrenaline right now. Just like hanging out with my boyfriend, you know, I feel like actually productive. I feel like a real person. I guess we'll do it. Oh my god, I really don't want to. Okay, I guess first what I'll do is I'll make my bed. Okay, time lapse. Okay, so here's my really shittily made bed. Normally it looks a lot better when it's made. Why does it look so bad? I've never done a time lapse on this camera before, so I don't really know if that worked. There's my butt. Okay, now I'm gonna put away laundry that I did. What happened was I ran out of underwear, and so I did laundry with just underwear. Why won't it focus? I got it to focus. I did laundry of just underwear, but now I have more laundry to do. So I need to actually take this out and put it where it belongs, so. What I normally do is I make my bed, I do the clothes, I do dishes, and then I do trash. Then if I'm feeling frisky, I vacuum. I also just have shit all over all of the surfaces that don't fall into any of those categories. I just have shit. So I think the fifth or sixth category is cleaning surfaces. I'm not gonna get this all done today. Okay, putting away my clothes and then gonna do more laundry. Okay, hello. I'm gonna fold shirts. I'll lay them on my bed. It's nice to have a made bed when you're cleaning your room because then you can put stuff on it and actually use it. I'm actually an expert room cleaner. I got some shorts in this bitch. But really, for my shorts and pants drawer, I just kind of shove them in. I don't really care. More shorts. Got these from the thrift store. Little green basketball shorts. Aren't those cute? Look at the color. Little green basketball shorts. Okay. Maybe one day I'll organize inside my drawer. I was actually planning on doing... Oh my god, I sound so sad. I'm just really tired. And why do my boobs look lopsided? I'll just cover them. Okay. Now you don't have to look at that. Okay, I was thinking about doing another closet declutter and selling stuff on Depop. So that'll probably be coming when I have the energy. I get really depressed in the summer. Like Girl in Red really had her shit researched when she wrote Summer Depression because I feel like I might get more depressed. No, that's cat. I was gonna say I might get more depressed in the summer than I do in the winter, but I don't think that's true. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god, shut up. Okay, I only have like 3 more things and 1 sock. Only 1 sock. I only washed 1 sock. Oh, I need a break. Oh, I need a sit break. Alright, we're back at it. Oh my god, why do I look like this? Gross. My closet is kind of it's a safe haven for me because I can just throw shit in there. I have a 4-foot teddy bear, clothes on the floor. I literally ran out of room for my clothes, so I started putting my clothes in my makeup drawer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all my clothes when I go to college. I have a year to think about that, but like, I can't bring them all, but how am I supposed to choose which ones to bring? How am I gonna get all my shit to college if I'm flying? Like, what if I go to school in California and I have to fly across the country? Do I bring a moving truck, or are we gonna drive? We probably don't end up driving. It's cheaper. Actually, is it cheaper with all the gas? Alright, now pick up the clothes on the floor. Or I should probably do laundry. Oh! I don't like this game. Okay, I got it. done it. I will start a basket of laundry. I'll do some light, or should I do dark? I hate how you have to fucking split your laundry. It's really annoying. And also, like, some things I just don't know. Like, is this a light or a dark? I mean, it's not a dark, but it's not a light either. I would put it in lights, but I don't have to wash it. So yeah, okay, we'll do light. So much to do, so little time. School is in a week. Okay. I ran out of space on my camera. I have to sneeze. Just kidding. Wait. Yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna die? Bro, if it dies, I'm done with this. We'll do it later. Some of this shit has been sitting in here for months. I swear to God. Like, I haven't seen some of these clothes in so long that I forgot I have them. That's like a nice full basket of laundry that I will do later. Now we can put more stuff in here. This is great. We're doing great right now. This is really bothering me, the cards on the floor. I really want to deal with that, so I'm gonna deal with that really fast. All right, I did that. It was actually pretty easy. This is a cute little filming spot. Why don't I use this more often? You can see my like wall in the back. I'm gonna use it. I hate my life. Now we're gonna do the dishes and the cans. I don't have that many of them in here, which is, like I said, super out of character for me. Normally I have so many cans, but I only have 2 cans. I have a Starbucks drink, I have a cup, plate, so it's not bad. So I'm gonna take those to the kitchen. Let's see how many I can bring in one go without eating shit. I got almost all of them. I just gotta bring those. I'm good. Can I get a trash bag and empty my trash now? Dude, I really don't want to do this anymore. It's a new day. My camera died. Okay, so it's kind of a funny story. So basically I came home and my room is clean. So it's a funny story. So basically my camera died, right? So I plugged it in, but then my boyfriend and I hung out. So I went to his house for 2 days, came home, the cleaners came, my room is clean. It's okay because there is still a decent amount of stuff to do. You know, we still have to deal with all of this. There's stuff on my bed, stuff over there. It's just the floor that's clean. Feel bad for the people that live under me. So I'll start with my clothes. They took all of the clothes out of the hamper, or out of the thingy that I was gonna wash. Maybe I'll just bring them downstairs. Yeah. Oh, there's nothing in the washing machine. Oh, okay, JK, there's stuff in the washing machine. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Put these here. Fun fact about me, actually. I didn't learn how to do laundry until like last year. That's a cool new trick that I know. Now we're putting this in here. Okay, put in one of these bad boys. Do you guys remember when people literally ate these? So stupid. Anyway, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, I have to turn off the light. Hey, yo, she low-key killed that though. Now I have a bunch of stuff on here. Guys, I was walking through Davis Square, which is like a little square in Boston. You know, there's Harvard Square. There's another square, I think. But anyway, outside of this insurance agency, there was a big box that said free. So of course I looked at it. Look what I found. Look what I found. Isn't that sick? I think that this is funny. I think that would be funny. But I don't have a nail for that right now, so we're not gonna do that. I need to put my paints away. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now. This is fun. We're doing really great, guys. I have a bunch of shit on my bed. Book, another book. I've been reading a lot recently. It's kind of sad. Another book, 3 books. This book, really good. The Man Who Couldn't Stop, OCD and the True Story of a Life Lost in Thought. Oh my god, that rhymed. It kind of rhymes. Basically, it's not like a story. It's not like a memoir or anything. It's more of a educational book. It's like a documentary, but in a book, you know? So they're talking about the science behind OCD and all of that. And then the writer also has OCD, so he's talking about his experience too. It's a really good book. I read it in 5 days and I have really bad ADHD. And I have this thing where I'll read a paragraph and then I won't remember what I read, so I have to read it over and over again. But for some reason, I absorbed every single word and I didn't have to reread anything. Well, maybe a few, but it's good. If you're interested in psychiatry and mental illness and OCD, good book, good book. And it's not like sad. It's not like a sob story, you know, like this book. Not a great book. Still reading it though. And I'm also currently reading, this is good. I went to the hospital that this book is about. It's so exciting. So yeah, these are my ladies. I need to just clean out my bags and put them back on the hooks. Oh! I was gonna say LOL, but I knocked something over, so it's not super LOL. But I also found this in the, in the thing, so I'm gonna put that on my wall. Now it's just like a bunch of little shit, which honestly is even more stressful. Sorry guys, I'm over here. Now I need to just pick one surface to work on, but instead I'm just working on all of them. Hang on, I'm gonna hang some things up on my wall. I have this drawing that Max did, but he didn't like. I kind of like it because it kind of looks like a really big nipple, so I'm gonna put that on my wall. Okay, I'll be back in 1 second. All right, I hung it up. I just put it up above the TV. It doesn't look great now, but I feel like once the wall is done, it'll look good. The little ornament thing over there. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. I'm gonna hang up things that I have draped over there. This is fun. You guys having fun? I just have so much shit. I'm a borderline hoarder. I don't like to admit it, but it's true. I don't like throwing things out. I have rocks all over my room. They're not even cute, but every time I go to the beach, I get some rocks. It's at the point where it's just like, there are just little things everywhere, and that for me is even worse. I have to do like a deep clean sometime where I just find spots for everything that doesn't have a spot, because right now I just have like shit over here, but this is its spot, you know? Like this is where everything belongs. Like if I'm looking for a camera, I know it's right here. Looking for a light bulb, right there. I need a break. There are no breaks. We're on that grind. This, I think these are stale. Taste test. A little stale. Still good. Now what? I need to clean my nightstand. I got it. I'm gonna do a time lapse. The worst part about cleaning your room, in my opinion, is the fact that I just know it's gonna get messy again in like 2 days, if that. What's the point though? It just be like that. That's good enough, right? That's pretty good. I don't know if that was in focus. I doubt it was, TBH. You know what? I'm gonna just go with this. I feel like this is about as good as it's gonna get. My favorite part, I think, is the nightstand. It looks very organized. I got my stack of book candles. I put the throat chakra crystals on top of my picture of me and my boyfriend to make sure communication stays open and flowing, you know what I'm saying? The remotes, then you like look in here and it's like, I can't even close it. What is that? Why? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's just kind of how it be. So, you know what? This is good enough. I have some Savers bags that I haven't taken the clothes out of yet, but oh, I'm tired. I'll do the outro. Thank you guys for watching. You know what? Maybe I'll do the outro here. This was quite the endeavor, and I'm glad that we got to experience it together. It'll be a very, very, very long time before I do another one of these. It's a little bit like angsty teen, but it's also like a lot of depression, you know? What's the point of cleaning your room if it's just gonna get messy again? But I'm glad because now the energy is nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, suck my dick. Keep on cleaning. Oh my god, that's like my old outro. Keep on cleaning. Anyway, bye.